Back again with Fill the Fridge. Today, the fridge. You can also fill the dishwasher, fill the oven, fill the sink. I'm gonna fix it. I can fix it. It's good as new. Alright, the fridge. Bam! There's a light and it's full of things, so let's check it out. First thing, the best thing to find would be a bag of ice. These are just drawers. Jello mold. This is jelly glue. The pieces of orange go inside the Jello. What is this? Some soda pop? It's called Olipop Strawberry Vanilla. A scoop. A watermelon magnet. And it actually sticks to the fridge. Ooh, some more Pizza Hut. Ooh, this one we got some peppers or something. A little ramune. Peach ramune. Hot honey. Some kind of hot sauce. Vintage cola. Classic root beer. Dang, I'm gonna have to make this Jello. Okay, it's been in the fridge for 20 minutes. Oh, it's hard. Ew. It's kind of perfect. I gotta get some more of my food put in there. Maybe I'll open some more balls. Find that bag of ice. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more balls.